I got requested by a subscriber to make 2 custom Veterans Day decks. He was in the US Navy and US Coast Guard, so we're gonna make 2 decks to symbolize that. Personally, I think they turned out awesome. I know that because I've already finished them, and the process was very, very time consuming and very difficult to do, but I wanted to try to make it as perfect as possible from the renderings that I made. But it has been a long few days, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you do, leave a like, comment down below on what you want to see next, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and that's it. Go ahead and enjoy today's content.
Day 2.
So basically what I'm doing right now is outlining all the letters. I don't have any more white, so I'm going to go back inside and do the airbrush for that one. But I do have black, so we'll do black here and then white for all of those. I tried to do a little outline with a marker, and I just didn't like how it looked, and I feel like just doing paint is going to make it look so much better. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm about 90% of the way there. It's getting there. It's taking a very long time, and from a distance, I think they look absolutely great. This one's a little hard on the details. I'm just kind of winging it right now. If I get really close, you can kind of see it's a little off. I wish it had as much detail as the top one does, even though that's technically only 3 colors and there's really not that much detail. It just looks like there is because you have all that shading versus that barely has any shading. So I don't know if I'm going to try to adjust that or not. I have to go back through right there and paint that white. I don't know why I thought that it was supposed to be blue, because it's not. So I got to go back, paint that white, clean up the letters a little bit, and then I'll be 100% done. But overall, it's turning out really good for my first time ever doing a Veterans Day skateboard design. So it's probably been like 4 days since I started on this. This project is taking a very long time, so I apologize that my content has been a little bit delayed, but I am having fun doing custom boards, so that's nice. I'm just hoping that the customer slash subscriber that watches my videos that order these decks, I really hope that he's gonna like them, because there's a lot of time in this, and it could be better, it could look more perfect and precise, but I'm still learning how to do this, so forgive me. I don't know how crazy I'm gonna be, but I do need to clean it up just a little bit, and then I can send it to the subscriber. Well, I think this is the best I'm gonna get it. It's not perfect. There's still some overspray in certain parts, but again, that's gonna be okay. I kind of wish for this boat I used a lighter gray. I just don't have one right now, so I used dark gray, and it's okay. It would have looked a lot better if it was light gray. Same thing for this. I think it would look a lot better if it was light gray instead of a silver marker, but again, that's okay. When you're 5 feet away, 6 feet away, they look really, really good. Like, right now, I don't see any imperfections. It looks exactly like the rendering that I made. For example, here's the first rendering of the Coast Guard deck. Again, not too far off. It's not perfect, but it's not too far off. And then the US Navy deck, like that, again, not too far off either.
And just like that, that brings us to the end of today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I really appreciate the support. If you enjoy this content, if you enjoy my custom skateboards, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And if you want a custom deck, feel free and reach out via Instagram or email, and I can make you a custom deck. That's how this subscriber reached me, was email, and I did it for Veterans Day for him, so I think that's pretty cool. But other than that, that is gonna be it, so I will see y'all on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later.